If you rise, if you rise, if you rise, don't forget your past situation. If you stumble, I'm so tired, 'cause this life I live is full of worries. I struggle day to day, but now I'm ready, oh, to be a part of it and make my life better. Make my life much better. Open the door to see one big disaster. It's falling apart right in front of me. I gotta fight to keep it all together until I find another way out. Where is my solution? Cannot bear to make it through the day. I'm so tired, 'cause this life I live is full of worries. I struggle day to day, but now I'm ready, oh, to be a part of it and make my life better. Make my life much better. Riding my boat all across the water, avoiding all them troubles there ahead.
So my friends, thanks for the concern of my fellow agents who have spotted me along the way today. As I mentioned, I was coming from a charity event for Keller Williams Realty, known as Red Day, an event that occurred every year where the agency gives back to the community. That was our role today, and along the way, as I mentioned, I witnessed an accident, which I was able to not so much give direct aid to the accident victim, but help to stop traffic, direct traffic, and that was the reason why I was there. So, my friends, those that you have observed, he's standing there with my camera. It was just documenting the event. So that was the reason for it. My gimbal has been out of repair for several weeks now. Just returned, and I don't believe it's at its service capacity. It's all jiggery. And of course, I don't feel like getting jiggy with it. But in an event, today was quite a day. And they're just being at the right place at the right time. I still hope that the individuals involved are not hurt that badly. As a matter of fact, one of the individual in the accident, the one that her car got hit, I was able to be a witness for her. Got a call from the Winter Haven police department to give a statement. So hopefully I've done my civic duty for the day, and hopefully everyone can heal from what happened. So, my friends, your Jamaican was on the move today when this all happened. And so, Thanks for listening to my story. Until next time. It's you Jamaican and Move. Saying one love. Peace. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, my friends. Love you, my friends. Peace.